and page 631. Number 7. Select the objects that hold the same amount of liquid as a 96 fluid ounce jug. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to pull up the chart you are going to use. You have that as an option. Let me pull up all the charts. This is the one you're going to need, right? And you're going to have to convert 3 1-quart bottles. So 3 1-quart bottles, right? And you're going to see, does that equal the same amount as 96 fluid ounce? Oh, and hold on. Let me pull that up too. There we go. This one right here, boys and girls. You have the fluid ounces at the top, and you have quarts, you have pints, you have cups, and you even have gallons. And what you're going to do is you're going to see if options A through E match 96 fluid ounce Uggs. Remember, you can mark all that apply. So they're hinting you could possibly be highlighting and circling more than just one. Number 8, Lorena's backpack has a mass of 3,000 grams. What is the mass of Lorena's backpack in kilograms? All right, boys and girls, you're going to go ahead and use this chart. You're going to want to see and compare grams to kilograms. Number 9, Richard walks every day for exercise at a rate of 1 kilometer every 12 minutes. They break this up into 2 different parts. At this rate, how many meters can Richard walk in 1 hour? Explain how you found your answer. So they're really talking about distance here. And again, you're going to be using this because they're referring it to kilometers. And you also got to know that in 1 hour, there's 60 minutes. And every 12 minutes in that hour, he's walking a rate of 1 kilometer. So and within that 12 minutes, he's walked 1 kilometer. So you're going to convert. You have to figure out how many minutes, how many groups. So you're going to do this first. Right? Because it's 1 hour. That's 60 minutes divided by 12. You're going to take that answer, and what you're going to do is going to tell you how many kilometers. But then you're going to have to take your kilometers and convert that into meters. Part B. Suppose Richard walks 1 kilometer every 10 minutes. How many meters further can he walk in 1 hour at this new rate? Explain how you found your answer. Same kind of idea. At 60 minutes, right? And 1 hour. Still focusing in 1 hour. But instead of every 10 minutes, he's walking 1 kilometer. Instead of every 12 minutes, he's walking 1 kilometer. He's now walking in 10 minutes, 1 kilometer. All right, let's look at. Good morning. Welcome. Week 9, day 5. Happy Friday. All right, we're going to continue reviewing for chapter 10. And we are on page 632. This page. Number 10. Ben filled 32 jars with paint. If each jar holds 1 pint of paint, how many gallons of paint did Beth use? Again, let me pull up the chart that you'll be using. And you're going to be converting pints into gallons. Okay. 11, Griffin's. Oh, it's like Angel's last name. Griffin's driveway is 36 feet long. Choose the word and number to complete the sentence correctly. To convert 36 feet to yards, just so you can see it as well, let me pull that up. Sorry, boys and girls, bear with me for a minute. Okay. So, to convert 36 feet into yards, do you have to add, subtract, multiply, divide? Well, we know it's not going to be add or subtract. You have to multiply or divide 36 by, and then circle the correct answer. 12. Carlos bought 5 pounds of carrots. How many ounces of carrots did he buy? And let me pull up the chart for that. You're going to use units of weight for number 12. I'm going to go ahead and move on to number 13. Chandler has 824 millimeters of fabric. How many centimeters of fabric does Chandler have? Use the numbers and symbols on the tiles to write an equation to show the conversion. I'm going to go ahead and pull up that chart to get you started. Boys and girls, you're going to be referring this chart right here for number 13. And number 14, Glenn needs to cut pieces of ribbon that are each 1 meter long to make ribbon keychains. If he has 3 pieces of ribbon that are each 1 decameter long, how many 1 meter pieces of ribbon can he cut? Again, you'll be using this chart as well. All right, boys and girls, try your best. I highly recommend that you go into Think Central and you work on Chapter 10 Review Part 2. And I'll speak to you soon. Boys and girls, Monday is totally your choice. You can choose to review. You can choose to do those pages on the lesson plans, but you know, technically we are off, so it's your choice. All right, I'll still give you the option to put it on Canvas, but it won't count against you. All right, boys and girls, have a nice day, and I'll speak to you soon.